Look at me for a second. If you're a student who plans everything at night but does nothing in the morning, if your days feel busy but your life feels stuck, this video is for you. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you one simple rule that can change how you study, how you feel, and how you live in just 7 days. No motivation speeches, no complicated routines, just one rule. So stay with me. Let me guess. You wake up tired, even after sleeping. You sit to study, open the book, and suddenly your phone feels more interesting. You promise yourself from tomorrow I'll be serious, but tomorrow comes and nothing changes. And slowly this thought hits you. Maybe something is wrong with me. But listen carefully. Nothing is wrong with you. You're not lazy, you're not weak, you're just trapped in a broken system, and that system needs one simple rule to fix it. Here's the rule. For the next 7 days, do not try to fix your whole life. Only do this. Every day, do one important task first before anything else. One task, done early, done properly. That's it. This is called the first win rule, and it works because of psychology. Your brain is simple. It doesn't get motivated by goals. It gets motivated by progress. When you start your day with WhatsApp, Instagram, or random YouTube, your brain learns today is already wasted. But when you complete one important task early, your brain releases dopamine, the progress chemical, and that small win tells your mind, I'm in control today. And control creates focus, confidence, and energy, not motivation. Morning decides your entire day, so before sleeping tonight, ask yourself, what is one task that will move my life forward tomorrow? Maybe revising one chapter, practicing 10 coding problems, watching one lecture properly, or writing 2 pages of notes. Write it down. And the next morning, wake up, wash your face, no phone, no overthinking, just start. Even if you feel sleepy, even if you feel bored, start badly, but start. After your first win, something magical happens. You feel lighter. Now your job is simple. Don't overload yourself. In the afternoon, do easy tasks. Attend classes, revise lightly, no guilt, no pressure. You already won the day. And this prevents burnout, because burnout doesn't come from work. It comes from working without progress. Evenings are dangerous. That's when regret attacks. So instead, every evening, ask yourself, did I complete my one task today? If yes, smile. You're winning slowly. If no, no self-hate. Just say, tomorrow I try again. Because this builds self-trust, and self-trust beats motivation every time. I've seen this again and again. Students who couldn't study for 10 minutes suddenly study for 1 hour, not because they changed their personality, but because they stopped fighting themselves. And after 7 days, your confidence increases, your focus improves, procrastination reduces, and most importantly, you start believing, maybe I can change, and that belief changes everything. I know how it feels watching others move ahead while you feel stuck, feeling guilty every night and disappointed every morning. But listen, my friend, your life doesn't need a big restart. It needs one small win every single day. So remember this rule. One important task first thing in the day for 7 days. Try it honestly, and when you see the change come back, comment first win, and tell me how it felt. And if this helped you even a little, like the video. Subscribe for more student-focused guidance. Share this with a friend who's struggling silently. Remember, you're not late, you're just getting started. And I'll see you in the next one.